Cadillac OPTIQ debuted at the 2023 Guangzhou Auto Show. At the 2023 Guangzhou Auto Show, Cadillac's new pure electric strategic model OPTIQ made its world premiere. Officials also stated that 3 new models of Cadillac IQ pure electric models will meet with users in 2024. In terms of appearance, the front of this car looks very wide. It is equipped with a transition-type light strip and uses symmetrical diagonal thin strips of LED light sources. The triangular LED headlights on both sides look very sharp and resemble the tail wing of a fighter jet. Together with the vertically arranged LED lights inside, it represents a strong sense of science fiction and the future. He stated that the new Cadillac IQ pure electric model will continue the IQ pure electric's advantage of being more powerful on the inside and striking on the outside. Global R&D, local software centers and digital teams will participate in the optimization. With an ever-improving smart experience, it opens a new page in pure electric luxury for home users.